Hi, welcome to HeKate's Crossing. Okay, so we're going to do Healers of the Earth Oracle by Mandy Peterson. Again, beautiful box, magnetic box, okay, ribbon, green edged, and then the imagery. Oh my god, the artwork again, absolutely stunning artwork from Mandy. Gorgeous. This is going to be an interesting deck to work with. Okay, so the back of the deck, as you can see. Sort of separated. Oh, the artwork is stunning. These artists, some of these artists are just so beautiful in their artwork. Absolutely stunning. It's got a title and some keywords. Oh my god. Beautiful. So excited. As you can see. Each card is numbered. Now I know there's two divine masculines, so it'll be interesting to see what they actually look like. Let's see the other one. Oh wow, just superb. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so that's it from me, with the Healers of the Earth Oracle. I'm just going to do a little bit of study before, a little bit of reading and everything before I sort of start diving deep and doing some readings. So that's it from me. Don't forget to check the link below. Check the link on my channels. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you know when the next video will be uploaded. Take care and blessed be.